Alright, so this is the second video, part 2 of the turbo upgrade. So, as you can see in the background here, we have some snowflakes. I pulled the car out of storage just to make this video. I'm going to wash it good and put it away. So, here's what I learned on installing a bigger turbo on my Dodge Dart. First things first, you got to use the electronic blow-off valve. Having a nice turbo smart blow-off valve is really cool. It looks awesome, it sounds awesome, but the problem is this car's computer system wants to see that, and so far I haven't found a way to get around it. But thankfully enough, I have found a way to get around the boost issue, and that's by using a so-called boost fooler. So a lot of people know what a boost fooler is. If you don't, I'm going to show you. That's the boost fooler. So we got that thing cranked up to 9, which really what it does is it just tricks the vehicle's computer system to see a lower boost than what it's actually putting out, preventing it from going into any kind of protection mode, or what I was having where the throttle plate would actually start to close just because the computer told it to. Not because I let off the pedal, but just because the computer thought that would be a safer thing to do. That sucks. So we got to use that thing to trick the boost so we can actually get some decent numbers out of this thing. That, of course, is a larger turbo. A lot of people saw the video already. Thanks for watching. So, other than that, I mean, you can pretty much see the mods that I've done. Cold air intake, catless pipe, wrapped, all the hard piping, oversized throttle body, underdrive pulleys, water meth injection. You can catch that right down there, a little AEM. And I mean, really nothing internal on the motor. It's just all bolt-ons. And I did put a polyurethane rear motor mount to keep the motor from rocking. So that's that. I got some clips that I'm gonna add on to this video, and I got a cold start up, some revs, 0 to 65, got the video on my boost gauge, so it should be pretty cool. So stick around and watch the rest of the video. Alright, one thing I think I need to point out about this car is it runs and drives great. It's a daily driver. So the way I accomplish that is by using the Syked tune. So, for all the mods that I've done with the catless downpipe and all that kind of stuff, I get no check engine lights. And as long as I'm running 93 octane, I don't go into protection mode. So, I did have a bad tank of gas, and it didn't want to run right. Once I got some good quality 93 octane gas in here, and I'm running the Royal Purple Max Boost, so that's supposed to help with like the knocking, pinging, and for stabilizing the fuel, because while I'm putting it away for the winter. So you gotta have a full tank of gas and some kind of stabilizer in there, otherwise you're just asking for trouble. So, like I said, I can drive this car every day. Based on the miles that you're looking at right there, I obviously don't drive it every day, but I could, and I can take it to the track. It's definitely fun. The car is lowered 1.5 inches, so I do scrape just a little bit, but not a big deal. Having the Syked tune is amazing. No check engine lights, no issues. The thing just, it's peppier. It reacts a little bit quicker. I'm not running any kind of go pedal or anything like that. So running the Syked tune with the boost fooler or the Madness ECU, it really works good together. You know, I've been really monitoring my air-fuel ratio, trying not to get any kind of surging out of my turbo. One of the problems I had for a while was the thing was spiking really high. Like it would spike almost to 30 pounds and then immediately drop back down. And you don't want that to happen. When you have even boost, it works a lot better because you don't break your wheels loose. One of the biggest problems I had was in second gear, the wheels would break loose when it would boost up past 25 and then it would drop down lower and the thing would, it just wouldn't really work right. So now in second gear, when I do a pull, I can feel the torque steer, but the tires aren't breaking loose and I'm not losing that traction that I need.